Tired of crypto transactions that feel like rocket science? Let's ditch the confusion and explore how Coinbase and Apple Pay are making crypto buying faster and easier than ever. First, make sure you have the Coinbase app installed and that you've linked your Apple Pay account to your Apple Wallet. This is crucial for the magic to happen. Next, within the Coinbase app, navigate to the Buy section. This is usually found on the home screen or through a prominent button in the navigation bar. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others will be readily available. Choose wisely. Enter the amount you want to buy in US dollars. Coinbase will clearly display the equivalent amount in the cryptocurrency you selected, so you know exactly what you're getting. Now, here's where the Apple Pay integration shines. When prompted for payment, select Apple Pay as your payment method. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Review the transaction details one last time, ensuring everything is correct, and then confirm your purchase. You should receive a confirmation screen almost instantly. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency will now be visible in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations! You've just bought crypto with the speed and ease of Apple Pay. Keep in mind that Coinbase charges fees for transactions, so review their fee structure beforehand. Also, rest assured, Coinbase employs robust security measures to protect your funds and transactions.